Hey guys, so this is a squishy fridge experiment on this donut. So I haven't really squished it yet, and I just took it out from the freezer, so it's a bit frozen still. But yeah, kind of got squishier. So this is good. It is squishy. Oh yeah, and guys, I'm ordering from Kawaii Land. So yeah, my package will probably be arriving soon. So yeah. So this is the thing about the squishy. When you squish it, all the sprinkles start hitting you. And this is the big version, not the small. The small one is way smaller. So this one is like the size of my palm. So I know I've got another sprinkled donut, but it's really small. So let me go show it. Okay, so guys, this is the small one. That's the big one. So as you can see the difference. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.